Limits are being pushed with the integration of brushless motors and lithium-ion batteries. The new Milwaukee M12 Fuel 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch cordless ratchets prove that being more compact does not mean sacrificing power. Let's check them out. Power and speed are always the first questions people ask. While these two tools appear very similar, they're actually tuned specifically for their anvil size and intended applications. The 1/4 inch drive 3052 is rated with a free spin speed of 550 RPM and delivers a maximum of 45 foot-pounds of torque. The 3/8 inch drive 3053 is rated for a free spin of 400 RPM and delivers a maximum of 70 foot-pounds of torque. The next most obvious thing to point out here is just how small the head and body are in both sizes. We're talking super compact. Just look at the overall length of only 12 inches and a weight of around 1.5 pounds without a battery. Speaking of the head, the shuttle used to switch between forward and reverse is raised, making direction changes quick and easy. In the center of the shuttle, there's an integrated grease port to help keep the head properly lubricated for long-term performance. The ergonomic grip design feels great in the hand. It features grippy overmold along with a chemical-resistant housing that stands up to common oils, greases, and solvents found in shop environments. One of the things you might have missed, and possibly the biggest deal with these ratchets, is the trigger system. Check this out. In less than a second, you can swap between 5 different trigger styles to dial in exactly what suits your preference. Personally, I like the metal paddle style because it really reminds me of my old pneumatic ratchet. The last thing to point out is the bright LED light. Many maintenance and repair jobs happen in poorly lit areas, and these ratchets really shine light exactly where you need it. No more clenching a flashlight between your teeth while trying to reach that hard to access bolt. All right, that's enough on the features. I want to spend a little hands-on time with these new M12 ratchets, and I have a generator that just came in that needs a little bit of assembly. Let's go try them out. I grabbed the 3/8 inch drive M12 ratchet along with some metric sockets and wrenches to assemble the unit. The job involved attaching 2 front supports, the handle, and the rear wheels. While it wasn't particularly challenging, the tool proved very useful. The fast RPM made it easy to spin nuts and bolts on, while the variable speed control allowed me to slow things down as the fasteners began to tighten. Even in this simple assembly task, the compact head design stood out and made access easy. The overall compact size of these tools makes them feel nimble, and I'm pretty sure they'll become the go-to cordless ratchet around here. While we looked at the Milwaukee M12 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive ratchets today, it's worth noting that a 1/2 inch drive version is also available in this exact same platform. The bare tool price is the same for each model and comes in at about $229. If you want a kit that comes with one M12 high output 2.5 amp hour red lithium battery and a charger, it runs for $329. The basic kit comes with the swappable paddle or button style trigger switch. If you want additional options, you can pick up the Milwaukee modular trigger cap kit, which gives you an additional 5 trigger styles for about 29 bucks. You can find these wherever Milwaukee products are sold. So what do you think about these new M12 ratchets from Milwaukee? Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. And while you're down there, tell us what is your favorite cordless ratchet. If you like what you saw today or found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified on our next video. And as always, we really appreciate you watching with us today.